Let's check out the MSE synthesizer system from the Stray Cats collection. This is a free pack you can download from the Ableton website, or you can scroll down and find it right here in the browser under available packs. So MSE is a simple synthesizer inspired by the Oberheim SEM, and it's very analog based, but quite simple. So let's say open it up right here. First I have a sequencer. This is going to give us just a melody. This comes with the MSE in the same pack, and we did a different video just on this sequencer. And here I have just reverb. Okay, let's open up the editor right here. And before, I'm actually going to make it mono. But it can be up to 8 voices polyphony. So let's check this out. Right here we have two oscillators. First we have the frequency or the pitch of oscillator 1. Fine tuning. And modulation. What do we want to modulate? The pulse width or the pitch frequency? And here is what we're modulating with. Envelope 1, it's down here, or LFO1 and LFO2, which are in the middle. And the pulse width. Now we can hear those clicks, so first thing I would do is I will actually just turn up the attack. Nice, now we got rid of those clicks. Okay, pulse width. Nice, now I'm gonna jump right here, because here we have the mixer. This is the volume of oscillator 1. And you can go and turn it down for a saw, or up for a pulse, a square. Same thing for oscillator 2. Saw and pulse. And oscillator 2 have the same controls, but we can also sync them. Right, so we can create some cool sounds with syncing as well. And right here, the third one, we have the external, which is noise. Let's open up the filter. Or a sub-oscillator. Let's add all of them. Nice. Now right here we have the filter, just the frequency, the resonance, which sounds really nice. Here we can switch the filter from a low pass to a high pass. And also have a switch to turn it to a band pass. And we can modulate the filter frequency with the envelope. Or with an LFO. Let's turn up the LFO speed. Right? And we can also change the waveform of the LFO. Let's do randomize. And we can even synchronize it. Nice. We can also do it with LFO2. Let's do the pulse width of VCO2 with the LFO2. Nice. Down here we have the envelopes. They're just ADS envelopes, no release. And overall, really easy to use synthesizer, very simple. I wish the interface was a bit bigger, but it's a great synth. Sounds pretty cool if you just adjust the envelopes. Right here we can add glide and pitch bend range. Nice. Now I'm gonna delete that. We have another synthesizer here, which is quad, which is the same thing, just times 4. Times 4. Let's open the editor. So we have the same thing, just times 4. Let me first of all adjust the envelopes here. Let's turn down the frequency a tiny bit. Some envelopes. Okay, so we got the same exact thing, it's just times 4. Here in the main interface, we can change the panning of each voice. As you can see, each note triggers a different voice, the next voice, which is very cool. We can set them to unison, so they're all triggering together for kind of a fatter sound. You can also spread them. The stereo image. And here we have the LFO2, all the LFO2 So let's say map maybe LFO2. We're gonna turn all the filters to be modulated by LFO2. Nice, and here we have LFO2 that is global to everything. We can synchronize it. We can even keyboard split each zone, each voice to a different zone, so it's only triggering, it's only playable in that side of the octave, and even glide to each one separately, which is very cool. So that's the MSE and the quad, inspired by the Oberheim SEM. Super awesome stuff. It's free, it's great. As you can see, works really fun with sequencers, but you can even play it with a keyboard. Catch you next time.